this is overgrown, isn't it? I don't know, we've been here for a little while, but the path is still kind of there. And this is what we call the lagoon. It's a nice little camp spot. You can get stuck in here, and this is quite rapidy, so it's a good place to set off with your little canoe going off. This is the moon bank. I tried getting down there a minute ago, and it's a little bit skiffy, so that's good fun working there, because you've got the corridor, which is absolutely stunning. Oh, train. It's a 180, 2 180s. They're doing away with them at the end of the month. Probably last time I'm going to see that.
The last 180, 180, 110. The very last time I seen them. I was taken from the driver.
Oh look! Woo! Oh wow! It looks like this is going to be our journey for the day. The class 180. Look at that, boy. Streamlined. Yeah, you get in there, boy. Yeah, we're going on. Right, okay, go for it. We're going to be late. Oh. Right, let's show you this train then. Oh, wow.
I think we need to do that end. This is first class.
Oh look, it's all stuffed.
Do we need to be that end?
We're only going Wellingborough. Yeah. Right, brilliant. That's nice, isn't it?
Oh no,
it's a lot wider.
I don't know if I like it.
Well, Dave, you don't like things that are pretty new, so bother them, because we're only going one stop. Yeah, look. There's even TVs on the screen. I have noticed these aren't electric, Dave.
No.
No, so the little ones over there would be. Let's have a look.
Maybe we should have gone down and take a walk down that bit and I'll walk down that bit. Yeah, the electric ones, they got the terminal on there.
My first journey on the new 180's. I've never done such a smooth video. Stanton Cross. Yeah, Stanton Cross all in the background. A possible future indoor market. Oh, awesome, look at that.
I don't like that sound. I don't like these either.
Nice backpack.
Right.
Great, he said, yeah. Oh wait, alright.
Bags off.
Yeah. can't believe I finally got it. Oh. Whoa. Right. Awesome. Sorry. Oh, and I got it to the top. Are you driving, mate? Are you driving? Yeah, that's not a door, mate. Oh, brilliant. Oh, do excuse me, I'm so sorry. I'm not talking properly. Oh, no. Fuck you. Thank you for the tones, driver. What a star. Oh, that's a 180. Oh, it's a crossover. Wow, here we go. Oh, there's a 180 as well. Oh my days. Oh. What a shot. Oh, that's mega. Yeah, I'm impressed with that one.